Hi everyone, it's Russell Lowe speaking. This is just a quick follow-up to the perspective warping tutorial. Look, I just thought I'd highlight the fact that you can actually adjust this once you've said OK or accepted the adjustments. So if I look back, if I actually go over to my smart object, and to the right hand side there's an arrow that points down. And you can see I've got the smart filter with perspective warp on there. If I alter that visibility, it takes the effect of that filter away, and you can see that's the original image, and that's how I adjusted it. So looking at it again, it seems to me that it's maybe a little bit too narrow and not quite as wide as they are as well. So that's probably more typical of an SUV. But the Cybertruck is a bit of a monster, so it's quite wide. So turn that on, click on the perspective warp, and it brings up the warping again. I could redo the layout, I guess, as well. But what I'll do is I'll just give it a bit more width. There we go, accept that. And now if I turn that, that's the original, and you can see that the rear wheel looks like it's shoved into the ground and the front wheel looks like it's doing a wheelie. And if I turn on the adjustments, it looks much more like the front's placed on the ground and the rear is sort of sitting up and it's a little bit higher. So it's sort of tilted and rotated it forward a little bit. So thanks for watching this little follow-up. Let's get on to the adjusting the luminosity next. Thanks for watching.